In the heart of South America is Paraguay, a country whose treasure travels the world, turning it into one of the largest freshwater reserves on the planet. H2O Sounds of Water is the Sounds of the Earth orchestra that makes music with sustainable materials, which creates awareness on preserving our waters, bringing to communities across the country a symphony of education and respect for nature. A project strongly committed to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 6, to guarantee water availability, its sustainable management, and sanitation for all. To reinforce this, Orchestra H2O Sounds of Water and Sounds of the Earth created an instrument that works with water from the most powerful waterways in our country. We present the Water Harp. A musical call that gives voice to water so that the world can listen carefully and take action on its care and conservation. Let's listen to the water.